Hello guys, I'm back. So today we're going to Milan. It's the 14th of July and we're gonna go see Bruno. Pero bukas pa naman yung concert. Pupuntahan ko kasi today magka-concert din naman siya. But pupunta na ako Milan now and I'm gonna meet my friend. Bring you guys with me. I'm so excited!
I don't know if kita niyo siya. Ayan siya. Yeah, kita ka na. And, yeah. We're going sa concert ni Bruno Mars.
Wala po kasi akong make-up eh.
And this is
Guess who saw her ex? Yeah.
Guys, so nasa metro na kami. And we're gonna go lang sa yeah, very haggard na bed. We're gonna get Jollibee later. Sorry. Hey guys, so now nagpe-prepare lang kami and now we're going to Chinatown! And we're gonna eat some good stuff. Okay, so guys, sorry. Tinatakpan ko lang si Mima kasi nagpapalay siya. We're going to Chinatown in a while! Yan! See you guys later! Guys, so now we're going out na. And here's my Minasor and we're just going to Milan City Center!
Let's go.
Let's go! Let's go! Hey guys, so now nasa metro na kami. I mean, sasakay kami ng metro to go to the city center. And yeah, we're going to Primark. See you guys later! So, ngayon, nasa Primark lang kami and nagtatry lang siya ng chinelas. Kasi, bakit ka nagtatry ng chinelas?
Sakit na yung paa ko agad.
Sakit na yung paa niya
20 minutes
agad.
in.
20 minutes in, masakit na agad ang paa niya.
Gusto ko siyang
So,
reserve
yeah.
for tomorrow.
Come with me guys naman, maghahanap naman ako ng pajamas kasi nakalimutan ko magdala ng pajamas. So now we're just going sa cathedral and yup, daming tao. And naka-heels pa din ako while Mima already gave up.
Kasi may tomorrow pa.
Yeah. Kasi tomorrow, ako kasi for today, gusto ko masanay na yung pa ako for tomorrow. And while may masor, dinada ko bukas na lang daw.
ako.
Hey guys, so now nasa normal naman kami and we're just checking out some stuff.
Banyo naman din sa Chinatown.
Yeah, they have banyo naman. So yeah. Tinatry ko siyang ibudol kasi I told her na mas mura yung mga makeup dito and she does not believe me. Like, mas mura
Hindi
talaga
naman
yung
kasi
makeup
ako
dito.
naniniwala.
Okay, so,
Ayokong bumili. Masyado akong nagastos dito bakit.
okay. Yan ang sabi niya, but I don't believe her. Ano, ay, gulo. Hello everyone, so now nasa Duomo na kami. As you can see, it's here and it's really beautiful. Sige, dadalhin ko kayo guys, so kita niyo. Really nice Duomo, no? So yeah guys, so now nasa
Sa Firenze.
nasa Duomo kami. Ulit-ulit ako, babe.
Hindi talaga siya
She says na hindi kasing ganda ng Duomo ng Firenze ang Duomo ng Milano. So, I mean, I can attest to that kasi sobrang ganda talaga ng Duomo sa Florence, guys. And yes, now we're gonna go sa Chinatown and yeah, we're gonna eat some Chinese stuffs. So we're gonna eat some, I don't know, street foods, I
Ako
think.
ay kakain.
Uy! My vlog is not for those stuff! guys, yeah, we're just gonna get the metro and then gonna get some bus or tram. And yep, I'll guys bring you with me. Hello everyone. So now nasa Chinatown na kami ni Miso.
I'm so hungry
We're
na.
just gonna try some street foods. Oh my God, I'm so
Ito ba yun?
excited.
Indian to?
Yeah. Okay guys, so now nasa DED kami. Order siya ng
Bubble tea.
Okay guys, so now umorder kami. Ano yung order natin? Xiaolong bao na chocolate. Yeah, and then meron pa
The one is with chocolate.
may Dubai chocolate. Excited. Super excited. Dapat ka baka excited. Mamaya bibigyan namin
Yes, pagdating nila.
Kasi kanina hindi namin nabidyo kasi ang baboy namin kumain.
Napakawalang modo.
Okay, bye guys. Guys, so
Ano pang ang gulo?
chef's kiss.
Ang sisa pa dito.
Hindi yun sa vlog ko. Nakadalawa na ako.
Hungry.
Guys, look at it. Wow!
Favorite na si chili sauce.
Actually, chili ka?
Yung iba, pag kumakain, 3 kagat yan. Pag ako,
Ang dami rin content na
kaya hindi ako pwede mag-food vlogger.
Sobrang surprise.
Kasi balas yung basa ko. Pag mga babae, nakapasayo. First,
What do you wanna, hindi namin alam kung ano unahin, if yung pistachio ba or yung chocolate.
okay, chocolate.
Okay, chocolate? Okay,
Chocolate.
chocolate, one
Okay,
piece.
kumash out ko muna yung salad.
Same. We don't joke with the sweets here, huh? Don't joke with the sweets. Lokohin nyo na ang lahat, wag lang.
Huwag lang kami.
Ay, wala makuha.
Yes, ma'am.
Ay po. Ay, wait lang guys.
Ang dami isang tubig pa ko.
The sun is shining bright.
Okay guys, so that's it for day 1. We just
done.
ate this day, but
Grabe.
Chris, gutom na gutom kami.
We
But
survived and naglalakotsi na kami.
Lapachi! Ew!
Hey guys, so now it's the 15th na and umaga. We're just gonna get some pastries.
Yes.
And then, wala na kang balak lumabas today kasi
Ayoko na.
nag-ready na ang energy ng pag-Bruno.
True. Ayoko ma-exhaust.
Okay.
Grabe. Ang face ko.
Hey guys, so now pupunta kami sa concert ni Bruno! And I'm so excited. We're so excited and hopefully makapasok kami! But yeah, update ko kayo later. Hindi ko matadala yung DJI ko. As much as I wanted to bring this DJI with me, I think isi-sequestra nila to. And yeah, I don't wanna risk it. Gusto ko sana i-risk nung una pero hindi namin napaghandaan kung paano siya itago. But anyways, yeah! So see you guys later. Pakita ko yung damit ko sa inyo mamaya. Ano ba? Hello everyone, so this is my outfit for Bruno's concert. I'm so excited guys, as kita nyo naman. Wait lang.
i-detect ko lang para kita nyo din ako kahit medyo malayo ako. This is my outfit, guys. I'm just gonna put... Dapat mag-boots ako, pero tinamad akong dalhin siya kasi sobrang hassle magdala ng boots. But yeah, so excited. I'm gonna try to film. Tatry ko mag-film. Hopefully, I think makakapag-film naman ako, but yeah, without the DJI though. But sayang, but I hope talaga na makita siya soon. So excited! Bye! Hey everyone, so now we're going na sa bus to go to the stadium. And bye! See you guys later! So, ay nagdaming tao. Hey guys, so ngayon nasa stadium na kami and we're gonna see Bruno Mars in a while.
See you, baby.
Moment of truth, guys, if na-scam ba kami or not. Let's see!
Grabe yung kaba namin.
Nakakabahan na kami. Anyways, we'll see. Ano, patayin ko na ba to? Tapos doon na lang.
Hindi, akala ba?
Yeah. Alasta? That's it. Walang, guys, so ang nangyari, yung sa akin, kasi sobrang lapit, naka-zoom yung ticket ko, hindi na nare-read. Parang, shit! Sobrang kinabahan ako. Ito sa Yasubi to.
Sira.
Okay guys, so here we go. Oh my god. Here we are. So happy. We're so happy, guys. Silence. Hey guys, so tapos sa CCTV and we're just waiting for so excited. In 20 minutes, nandito sa
And mga bakla.
It's anong oras na?
It's
4:30 na
4:30
umaga.
ng umaga.
Maaga kasi yung train namin
Yeah.
dalawa. So,
Yung train niya is 6:15. Ako is 6:40. But we're going together now. Ngayon yung mga move on. Ang sakit ng lalamunan ko. Pero,
nakita niyo naman sa mga clip before.
Yes.
Sigurado nilagay ko yun
my
dyan.
God, nakapasok kami guys.
So happy.
So, grabe. Yung kaba. Talagang papalapit na, anong gate tayo? 15 na. Oh my God. Tapos si bakla. 3 times pa scan.
Hindi niya kasi nakuha yung first scan kasi sobrang naka-zoom pala. Tapos, zinumawat ko ang font. Hindi pa rin sobrang naka-zoom pala. So, ginanong ko.
Yun, pumasok na.
Yeah.
Grabe yung kaba namin. Ganun pala kapag ka bumibili ng ano.
Kaya next
Yung
time.
illegal.
Hindi naman siya legal. Ano lang.
Ang sarap ng tawaging illegal to.
But anyways, yun lang naman guys, na update na lang namin kayo mamaya. I don't know kung makakapag-video ako, but yeah. This is just an outro. This is Mima Sor, guys.
Hi,
Yun na
guys.
pala. Yun lang.
We're gonna see each other in 4 days.
Yeah. Okay, bye guys.
Bye. Thank you.